Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I'm here in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, taking a look at a roof leak. I was in the attic previously and was able to pinpoint that this leak is coming from this chimney here. And now that I'm inspecting the chimney, I see a couple of possible leaking areas that I'd like to inspect further. First thing I notice is the cap up here is disintegrated on this north side. So what that might cause is water to leak through and down, especially down the flue here, and cause water issues in the home. But what I'm more interested in is this flashing here. As you can see, the flashing is rusted out. It's a one-piece flashing. Ideally, a chimney flashing should have two pieces, the counter flashing, which is what is visible here, and the step flashing that runs underneath the shingles, underneath the flashing, and kind of acts as a guide for all the water to run down. You can see a lot of lifting going on with a number of nail holes, so water can definitely penetrate down those holes and get into the attic space that way. So there are all kinds of issues going on because of this chimney flashing here, so we're going to recommend we replace it and get it done proper.